Hello everyone. Okay, so I'm creating this video actually not to talk about Genius, but because I'm a little bit concerned that a lot of people are actually trading out there and they have no idea whether they're buying stocks per se. I don't know if whether they're buying it here, they're buying it here, they're buying it right here. They they have no clue about that. All they're doing is that they're just buying stocks because either they were told or they saw it from a group or something along those lines, but they have no clue at what point do they say is enough? At what point do I get out? What is the stock actually telling me? What is the chart telling me, right? The price action, right? This is the chart. And and at that point, it's frustrating, right? Because you're buying stocks and you have no idea where you are. All you're seeing is that your portfolio is just tanking and tanking and tanking and eventually starts picking back up. However, you never notice, right, that there was probably this meant something. It looks like a bearish pin bar. And if you take a look at a bearish pin bar, this is kind of how they look like, okay? Usually if they're at a top or resistance in this case, it means that get out that same day because it's about the tank. Or in this case, if they have some sort of a bearish engulfing, right? That trend is about to end because right now it's going to start tanking. Or they have a bullish pin bar, which is this one telling you, hey, I'm about to go up. So if you take a look at it right here, you see this bullish pin bar, meaning goes up, bearish pin bars, meaning is going down. So the stock is not only doing that, right? Telling you patterns that are happening, whether they're telling you, hey, I'm about to tank or I'm not about to tank, I'm good or whatever it may be. We also have there like a bunch of indicators, okay? So if you actually read through the indicators, you will understand that after this pattern right here, you had a support close and you were going to be able to actually go in, and here's the resistance, which is that gray line, and at that point that could act as the resistance and it's going to get out, and you have to get out and then try to see what happens at the support again and join back in because right now you're about to go up. So so technically right now a lot of traders are out there just trading blindly. They're just buying stocks and selling stocks and not knowing why or what's the highest, okay, what's the top of the mountain or what's the most profit you could make or what's the time to get out because oh now it broke the support, now I have to get out. So this right here again, putting your money in a stock is not necessarily that you it's guaranteeing you that the stock price is going to go up because you got in and now is the time to go up. But no, the stock, you if you don't understand technical analysis, you could be buying right on these days when the stock is telling you I'm about to dump, and it dumps. So the charts tells you, what the probabilities are that it could go down or it could go up. Some people that like to buy options, with you learning technical analysis, you will understand that you are at a support and you have a good chance for the stock now maybe to move up. So you buy options right here, right? You buy calls or you buy puts because you saw a pattern that is about to go down, and you cover, or um or you can short the stock and so on and so forth. But again, technical analysis is the only one that can tell you all these different trends. Okay, so I developed a course, okay, where it takes you from basic all the way to advanced. And when I say advanced, is that you're going to be able to learn all of this, okay? Not just the indicators. It's about different type of strategies. Also, okay, you got like about 7 dozen stocks out there, okay? And the stocks are doing some sort of strategies. You can actually, with Thinkorswim, you can actually customize your scanner to do that. Such as in my case, I got this scanner, I got a bunch of them. So right here, I'm scanning for 50 scans. That's all I need, right? And these are actually right now it's loading, but you could see here in my watch list, this is my scanner. Okay, so anyways, I could go through here. If I go back to the chart, is the same watch list, right? This is my scanner. So I go over here and I just scan through the stocks that I feel like I want to get in or I don't want to get in because I see a good play or maybe I don't see a good play. Okay, so this is how you actually choose what you want to get into. It's not just because, some people, they're like, I ask like, do you know stocks to trade? They're like, no, I just go based on what people tells me. And that's not the case. You got scanners, you got tools that you could actually go through different type of stocks that are trading the strategies, okay? Different type of strategies. You can even come up with your own strategy and you can go ahead and customize it here. So if you actually add a filter here, which is this, I already got one, so I go over here, right? This is the coding for this type of a strategy. You can go ahead and make your own coding, add additional conditions, and right here you tell it what to do. So these are a bunch of tools that will make your life easier. Okay, I usually take 1 to 2 hours to choose my stocks that I want to trade the next day. And based on the play that it's happening, those are the ones I get in the next day because I see it that, oh, this is a good stock or that's not a good stock. I like this trend. I like this, what it's doing. I like because it has Fibonacci level on the same support and so many other things, right? But anyways, that's out there. Not right now. We're not talking about this right now. But anyways, so I invite you to join my Discord if you wish. This is completely free. Okay, everything here is free. Here we got different channels. Okay, and the people that are in green, all of them are actually my students. Okay, that they have taken courses with me. All right, and some of them are still on the process of completing the courses. Some of them already completed it. So you're going to have knowledgeable people here. I have created this different type of channels here where we actually go in. These are we actually talk about what we're trading and then we exchange ideas on graphs and so on and so forth. So this is a student. He just finished this last week and he was trading GME and he was able to map out what GME was doing. So I was very proud of that. So and then here are picks from us. Okay, if whoever wants to join, they join and picks discussion and we go through it. And we're gonna get to the point where we're gonna start um, going live and day trading between us, which in this case, my students and we have the same knowledge because I taught them exactly everything I know. And little by little, they're actually, picking a lot of things up. And if you go through the students' testimonial, they feel much more confident now compared to where they were before. So again, the course actually not only prepares you to read charts and understand what it's doing and what the possibilities could be, it's also that it will teach you different strategies that the stocks they do. Okay, and once you see those strategies, you will be able to choose from different type of scans. Okay, because I within the course we're gonna be able to load up all these different type of scans to your thinkorswim. If you have thinkorswim, you don't even have to put money in there as long as you're able to see the graphs. That's pretty much it. So it is very interesting. It is completely different to any other course because this is not just about videos. This is about live courses. Okay, so you could ask me all the questions you would like here, and I share my screen, and you share your screens, and I test you because I just want to make sure that you actually do understand everything that I'm teaching you. So, and then we day trade. So again, I invite you to be part of the Discord if you're interested on, if you want to invest in your knowledge let me know. These are 14 lessons and you pay as you go. You pay before the class, okay? These lessons takes 1 to 3 hours per lesson. It's a lot and it's well worth it. So let me know if you're interested. Thank you for your time.